Now, the first thing you might want to do in a set of data, if it's not already done, is to put the data in order. That way it's easy to find the median. So let's take this data and put it in order. The smallest number is 1. So maybe we'll cross it out to keep track. We have 2, 2. No 3s, 4s. We have a 5. We have 4 7s. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 8, 8. And we have 9, 10, 11, and finally 12. So there's our data in order, and then you can easily find the middle value once you do that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 data. So we have to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These two data are right in the middle of our data set. Okay, and they're both 7, so if you find the average of those two, 7 plus 7 out of 2, you get 7. And that's our median. Okay, that's the data value that's right in the middle of our data. That's the median, the midpoint. The mode is quite simple. The mode in this case is 7 because that's the number that occurs the most. So our mode is 7. Okay, so we have our median, we have our mode, we have our median, we have our mode. The range is pretty easy. The range is the difference between the largest value and the smallest value. So our range equals 12 minus 1, which equals 11. So that's our range. Okay. And lastly, the mean. We have to add up all these numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. So we already counted the numbers. The number of numbers in this data set is 14. So we're going to add all these up and divide by 14. So let's go ahead and use our calculator to do that. We have 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. You could probably do this without a calculator as well. Plus 7 times 4 because there's 4 of them. Plus 8 plus 8 and so on. And I'm adding it together, all the numbers. And I get 96, and there's 14 numbers altogether, so I divide by 14. Oops. Divide by 14, and I get about let's say 6.86. So the mean equals 6.86. And that's how you find measures of central tendency.